Okay, so let's explore this train mural here near San Miguel de Allende. I think it's actually really an interesting mural, and I'll show you why. So it's a Mexican train driven by death. And it's full of vagabonds and people hitching a ride. And it seems to have Donald Trump and what I would guess is Hillary Clinton. So that doesn't look like Melania. Behind bars in some kind of prison car. Well, all the migrants, presumably, are pointing at the rainbows of hope. This guy's looking at a photo of his wife or something. Looks like, right? And it says danger. That's really interesting. And Tracy knows faltan. I forget what that means. I'm only an intermediate student. And then anyway, it goes on forever. The 43 knows faltan. Okay, I'd never forget the 43. That's what that means. The 43 students who were killed in, I don't remember where, but that's what that means. 43 students were slaughtered by the cartels somewhere, sometime in the last decade, I forget. Anyway, interesting, huh?